Have you ever wondered how to take the first step into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies, especially with the undisputed star, Bitcoin? Amid all the buzz about cryptos and their incredible returns, the key question is, how the heck do you buy Bitcoin? If you're ready to discover the art of acquiring this digital currency and many others, this video is your ticket to the cryptocurrency game. Don't go away because I'm about to guide you through the entire process. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss a single trick. Welcome to Crypto Barry, where you'll learn everything you need to achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we'll talk about how to buy cryptocurrencies on an exchange platform. I'll guide you from scratch so you can buy the cryptocurrencies we share in the community and thus make a lot of money. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to the Bitunix cryptocurrency exchange. You can find the link in the description. If you haven't created an account on this exchange yet, I'll leave another link down below for you to watch a video where I explain in detail how to create an account from scratch on Bitunix. Perfect. Once you've created your account on Bitunix and deposited funds, go to the main page. At the top, click on Spot. By default, the chart with the BTC USDT pair will open. If you want to acquire another cryptocurrency, check the list on the left and choose the one you want. But if your choice is Bitcoin, continue with the next step. Just below the chart of the asset, in this case Bitcoin, you'll find the options to buy or sell. Here, we have two types of orders. The limit order, where we set the price at which we want to buy the cryptocurrency, and when it reaches that value, it will be executed with the specified quantity. Then there's the market order, where we buy directly at the current price of the asset. That is, if the price of BTC is approximately $51,000, we will acquire it instantly at that price. Now that we know how to buy cryptocurrencies on the spot, let's explore trading with them. To do this, go to the top of the screen and click on Futures. This page is similar to the spot one, but instead of buying cryptocurrencies directly, we're dealing with contracts. One thing to note is that there's no list of cryptocurrencies on the left. We only have the main chart. To switch assets, click on the name of the asset, such as BTC USDT. Then you can search and select the asset you prefer. Let's use BTC USDT as an example. To the right of the chart, you'll find the order book. This shows real-time buys and sells on the contract. These are people who want to buy and sell at a price they have set themselves, usually near the current price of the asset. People who want to buy and sell at a price they have set themselves, usually near the current price of the asset. If we scroll further to the right, we find the section to buy and sell. First, we must decide whether we want to make the trade isolated or cross. Isolated takes only the margin we provide, while cross can use all the money allocated to futures trading. For this example, let's choose the isolated option. Then, we must select the type of order, either limit if we want a specific price, or market if we want the current price of the asset. Once we have selected the option, the next step is to decide the amount we want to buy, which we can express in BTC or USDT. Afterward, we adjust the leverage. Although more leverage means less required margin, it also brings our liquidation price closer and exposes our account more. Therefore, it is always advisable to use moderate leverage. Finally, after setting all the parameters in the trade, we add the take profit and stop loss. The only thing left is to click buy or long to execute the operation. And that, my friends, is how you can acquire cryptocurrencies and trade easily. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll make sure to address them. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to not miss anything from my future content. See you in the next video, and I wish you very happy trading. Until next time.